students. In the previous video we had started with chapter 2. Now chapter 2 next topic is today we are going to learn decimal form of any rational number. Before that just let us recall what is rational number. Rational number is indicated as a Q. You know that. So rational number is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q belongs to integers. P and Q can be any integer, but Q must not be equal to as 0. So we will learn how to find the decimal form of any rational number. So let us take first example 1 as suppose 13 by 5. This is a rational number. To bring this in the decimal form, you have to divide 13 divided by 5. 5 to the is 10, remainder is 3. Then put a point, take a 0, 5 6 is 30. Last I got remainder as 0. So it is equal to as 2.6 is the decimal form of 13 by 5 rational number. This is the decimal form. Now you see the remainder is 0. That means this is 13 by 5 is a terminating type of a rational number. Is terminating type of rational number. Now when we get remainder as 0 after division, fully divisible. So it is a terminating type of rational number. Example 2, we will take suppose 10 by 3. This is also rational number. 10 by 3. Now I divide this 10 by 3. 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 1. Remainder must be equal to 0. So let us do further division. Put a point, take a 0. 3 3s is 9. Again 1. So again take a 0. 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 1. Again take a 0. 3 3s are 9. Again remainder is 1. It goes on. That means if I keep on dividing the whole day also, you will not get 0 as the remainder here. That means this is non-terminating. It is equal to as 3.33333 goes on. Or we can write it as 3.3 bar. That is non-terminating. Recurring means it is repeating again and again and again. That is recurring. So it is non-terminating recurring type. Or it can be also written as 3.3 here. If we put point, it indicates recurring. 3 is recurring. Here this bar also indicates 3 is recurring. So this is 10 by 3 is non-terminating recurring rational number. Recurring type of rational number. So now you have learnt about terminating and non-terminating recurring type of rational numbers. Now we will learn how to convert a non-terminating recurring type of in the form of P by Q. Now suppose that this is given in this form. Non-terminating, you have to bring it in this form, that is 10 by 9. That is P by Q form. P by Q rational. In the rational form. This is given in the decimal form. We will learn how to bring it in the rational form. Suppose. So, to write numbers. Now the topic is to write non-terminating recurring recurring decimal decimal number in the form of P by Q. P by Q form. Now, example 1. I will take. Suppose, see, this will be example I can take. That is 3.3 bar. This can be written as 3.3333 and so on. Yes. Now, this is here 3.33 and so on. So, let us take, let x is equal to, this will name it as x is equal to 3.3 bar. Or it can be written in this form 3 bar. That is, only after decimal point, only 3 is recurring. One digit is recurring again and again. So, multiply when one digit is recurring after point again and again, you should multiply this both the side by 10. If 2 digits are recurring, then multiply it by 100. If 3 digits are recurring, then multiply by 1000 and so on. So, let us take x is equal to 3.3. Let us take this as 0.1. So, multiply 0.1 by 10, both the sides. So, we get this as 10x is equal to, now when I multiply, see, 3.33, if I multiply by 10, it becomes 3, yes, the point will shift here, one place before, yes, 3.33 multiplied by 10, see here, it is 3,330, after point 1, 2, 1, 2. So, it is 33.3 and so on. So, as it is recurring, so we can write it as recurring. Therefore, it is here 3 point. We have to give it like this way also. We can write it as like this way also. 3.3 recurring multiplied by 10 means we can write it in this form directly. Yes. Now, it is 10x is equal to 3.3 recurring like this way. Yes. This you take it as 0.2. Now what you have to do is that subtract 0.1 from 0.2. Subtract 0.1 from 0.2. So write 0.2 first. That is 10x minus this x is equal to this one 0.2 first. 3.3 bar minus 3.3 bar. Now see here, 10x minus 1x will give you 9x. This is equal to, now see here, 3.3 bar, 33.3 bar and 0.1 is 3.3 bar. Point here 0, 3, 0 here and this is 3. Okay. So this is equal to 30.0 we get. If we subtract these two numbers. So here that means 9x is equal to what? Only 30 you take. So x is equal to 30 divided by 9. Now see 3 3s are 9, 3 10s are is 30. So x is equal to 10 by 3. What is x? X is 3.3 bar. That is 3.3 recurring. X is therefore x is 3.3 recurring is equal to 10 by 3. That means this recurring, non-recurring or non-terminating recurring decimal form is converted to P by Q form. This is converted to this. Yes, to convert this rational number into this decimal form, we do division, and when from this decimal to again go to the form of P by Q rational number, we have to do this process. Now let us take another example. This this non-terminating recurring form of number, how to convert or how to write it in the form of P by Q. So as we have done, now see here 3 digits are recurring. So let us take, let x is equal to as 5.136 recurring as 0.1. Now we have to multiply both the sides. Multiply 0.1 both the sides by 1, 2, 3 digits are recurring. So multiplied by 1000. If 1 digit is recurring, multiply by 10, 2 digits recurring, multiply by 100, 3 digits recurring, multiply by 1000, 4 digits is recurring, then multiply by 10,000 and so on. So when we multiply this half 0.1 both the sides by 1000, it will be 1000x is equal to, this point will shift here. So 5136.136 again recur. You have to write in this form. This is 0.2. Now method is the same as like we have done for the previous question. So subtract 0.2 from 1. Subtract 0.1 from 2. So write 0.2 first. 1000x minus x is equal to, this number you write first, 5136.136 recurring minus 5.136 recurring. So here 1000x minus x will give you 999x is equal to, now if I subtract this 5136.136 recurring, here it is 5.136 recurring. So after point it will be all zeros. 6 minus 5 is 1. This 3, 1 and 5 as it is. So we get it as 5131.000. So we can write this as 999x is equal to 5131 only. Leave point as zeros. So now x is equal to as 5131 upon 999. Now here, therefore we got x in this form. If this part is cancelling, this rational form is cancelable, you have to cancel it, otherwise leave it. So let us try and see. This is cancelable by 3. Let us add the sum of the digits. If divisible by 3, then it is cancelable or divisible by 3. 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is not divisible by 3. So let us keep it as it is in the form. So therefore what is x? X is equal to this, that is 5.136 recurring is equal to 5131 upon 999. That means this non-terminating recurring number is converted to in rational form in the form of P by Q form. So therefore this is equal to this.